Hello and welcome. We're here at the Melbourne Cricket Ground. You join us for this 5-over match between the Sydney Sixers and the Hobart Hurricanes. I'm Adam Gilchrist, and with me for this match is Michael Atherton, Mel Jones, and the one and only Ali Mitchell.
Thanks for such a warm introduction. I'm sure I don't need to tell you just how much I'm looking forward to the day's play.
Thanks, Alison. Let's join them down in the middle to find out who will be fielding first.
Well, the captain must have a lot of confidence in the opening bowlers. Why else would you bowl first in these conditions? There'll be some batters relishing putting their pads on right now.
The umpire signals that we're ready to go. First ball of the innings about to be bowled. Lovely cover drive, but straight to the extra cover fielder. Nearly gets the edge. Sipple with a great delivery there. Now then, what's this? They've gone up. I didn't hear or see anything. Square cut, finds point, no run. That's a strong appeal. What's the umpire's decision? Misses. That's a big chance gone begging. Cheadle, the left-arm medium-fast bowler, is coming into the attack from the members' end. They've gone up here. Collects that one, simple as you like, inside the ring. Timed, through the vacant point position, racing to the boundary.
Avoided the fielders, one bounce and four. Fantastic shots.
Edge, amazing delivery. Time to keep the pressure on now. Great ball, that last one, to find the edge. It's just a case of finding the same spot. Great shot. She's pulled that one away. 4 more.
A lovely shot off the back foot. The shorter ball having no joy and getting dispatched for 4 runs.
Don't always mind getting hit for runs. What's important is just focus on getting the next delivery right. Edge, but it drops safely. The whole team's gone up here. What's the umpire going to say? The right-arm medium bowler is coming into the attack from the Great Southern stand end. Perry with a huge appeal. The Sixers with a massive shout.
Tried to get through the tough early period. Now they'll walk off frustrated that they couldn't build a score for the team.
And with that wicket, the new batter will mark centre. Just needs to rotate the strike early on as they get settled into their innings.
Good footwork behind the stumps, taking it cleanly. No interest, though, from the batter.
Villani ready to face their first ball. Really needs to settle quickly and see if they can get the ball into the gaps. Was quick onto that in the infield. Perry over pitches and pays the price. Great shot by the batter. That could be four.
Came forward onto the front foot and eased it away to the boundary.
I'd like to see them just aim for the top of off now. As a bowler, you've got to make them play on your terms. Lovely cover drive, but straight to the extra cover fielder. End of the over. 7 runs coming from it. The Hurricanes are 18 for 1. Going with spin now.
New bowler into the attack.
Chance to run 2. Doesn't beat the infield. That's been smacked away. Fielders will not stop that one.
Flashed away and got it well enough to find the boundary.
Always difficult to focus after what happened last ball, but you just got to stay positive and believe the wicket's going to come. Faint outside edge and just wide of the keeper. It's going to be 4 more though. They go up here, but it might have pitched a bit short. I think we'll have to wait and see what the umpire says. I didn't feel there was too much wrong with that last delivery. They just need to keep the ball in the right areas and the rewards will come. Great shot, pulled straight to backward square leg though. Straight to the fielder. That's the over. The Hurricanes are 28 for 1. The right armour is coming into the attack from the Great Southern stand end. Across the stumps and a flick of the wrist. It's wide of square leg. Could be 4.
Errs on the side of bowling slightly fuller, and they've been put away.
Can't afford to go too full again. It does help to switch up your deliveries, just to keep them guessing. Couldn't get it through the field. Pulled away, but straight to square leg. And that's gone. Amazing catch. Super catch.
An innings that promised much and really, in the end, delivered very little. Pretty disappointing all round.
It's a long way to walk out there just to turn around and walk straight back. They'll just want to get this first run behind them and then push on. Onto that early, that could be 4.
Threaded it through brilliantly. All timing on that shot.
This delivery just needs to be pitched up on a length. Too short, and you're going to get punished on this pitch. Thick edge. Really good innings comes to an end. That's going to be a tough total to chase. Someone's going to need to step up with a big score. I think the openers are going to be pretty confident coming out to bat. It's a small total to chase down, and this should be comfortable. The bowlers are going to have to need a bit of luck.
Here we go. Coming in for the first ball.
Nice shot, but straight to gully. Cuts that off well in the infield. Good pick up, big chance. Oh boy, that is so close to leg. Misses everything. Got that away nicely. Over, the sixes are 6 for none.
Well, what a lovely shot. It flew to the boundary. That's clearly not the type of delivery to be bowling here.
The right arm pace bowler is coming into the attack from the Great Southern Stand end. Lovely cover drive, straight to the extra cover fielder. That looks gone. Oh, great run out.
As As they head back to the pavilion, they'll be wishing they went about this innings a little differently. Not too much to speak of on the scoreboard.
Lots of pressure coming into bat. We'll have to wait just a little bit longer to face their first ball, though. Now the batter's made a bit of a meal of that delivery. Oh my word, that is huge. Middle, that's a monster of a shot.
That's just a brilliantly aggressive shot. Gets onto the front foot and it's flown over the boundary.
Villani, I don't think, will be too happy with their bowler at the moment. Oh, that was met. There's an element of insanity the way that sounded. Two biggies in a row. Boundary last ball. What's to come this delivery, I wonder. Brilliant diving stop. Really playing all their shots that over. Very expensive.
We're 2 overs down into the second innings and they're scoring freely at the moment and hold an early advantage.
Strano, the right armour, is coming into the attack from the members' end. That's going a long way. What a shot.
That was a very well-timed shot off the back foot. Saw it really early and it was dispatched with ease.
Getting nicely settled at the crease now. Would have to be very happy with that last shot. Oh, that's a great shot early on. Wide of cover. And that'll give her a bit of confidence early on. May just pull up short of the boundary though. Well, what else do they have in their bag of tricks? Just not much seems to be working at the moment. Onto that early, that could be 4. Trouble! Power and precision in that shot.
What a lovely shot, and it flew to the boundary. That's clearly not the type of delivery to be bowling.
That last ball isn't something you want to repeat of. You don't want to be giving away easy runs. Wide of extra cover and away goes the ball to the boundary.
No point running for that one. That was 4 off the bat. Beautiful shot off the front foot.
Please remember to drive responsibly on your way home.
That was a mighty win. Really too easy to score runs, and they chased down that total with time to spare. A great all-round performance.
Well, there's only one team really in it today, an exceptional display that saw a very easy win. That's all from us in the commentary box. Hope to see you again very soon.